Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing a focused environment and installing only the essentials. Open your Flutter project and add a networking package like HTTP or DO. Once done, add a JSON parsing tool or plan manual parsing. Make sure to set Android and iOS network permissions so requests don't silently fail. Then run Flutter pubget. You do this now so subsequent steps use concrete code. This avoids backtracking and lets you start implementing the API call immediately. Once the project has packages, create a single API service to centralize base URL, headers, and common logic. You implement async methods that return typed models and use await with timeouts. This prevents hanging requests. Make sure to handle errors in try/catch and map status codes to user-facing messages. For parsing, use from JSON factories or generated serializers so types are safe. Then test a simple get-in-main to verify parsing and network flow before wiring into UI components. Now connect the API service to your UI, fetch data in init state or via provider, and render loading, success, and error states so users always see feedback. Secure tokens with Flutter Secure Storage and add simple caching for offline resilience. Write a quick integration test hitting a mocked response. If things go wrong, check cores/network permissions, verify base URL and headers, and inspect server JSON shape. Often a mismatched field name causes parsing exceptions. Fixing that usually restores the flow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.